How to change email in Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to change your email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this. Now tap onto You button at the bottom. Select it. Then here you can find your profile. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find your info. Now tap on it. Now to change your email, tap onto email right here. Select it. Now tap onto email right here and simply remove this email just like this and add a new one just like this and tap on to save. And that's it. This is how you can change email into the Lyft app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.